Hey girl, I hope you're well. Today I wanted to share my everyday beauty look, so let's get to it. Alright sis, so we're coming in hot with our eyebrows already completed. If you want to check out that video, I will link a card below so that you can do so. So the concealer that I'm using today is by Maybelline, their Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Alright, so you're going to want to take some of that and put that on whatever you choose to apply it with. Today I am using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. When I first started, I used to use my finger a lot. So my ring finger, I would use that to apply the makeup. I found it to be a lot easier to blend, and it warms the product up. So that makes it easier to blend. So however you choose to do that, you could use a brush, you can use a beauty blender, or you can simply use your finger. Alright, so you're going to want to make sure you spread everything around all over your face. So get every nook and cranny. You can even bring it down a little bit on your neck so that it will blend seamlessly with your skin. So just make sure you're patting real good, whatever it is that you're using. That you make sure you blend out really good. I tend to only put a teeny bit on my forehead. It looks a little bit more based off of what I can see in the camera, but I tend to only do a little bit on my forehead. Yep, so you're going to want to continue to blend, honey. Blend until you can't blend no more. You want to make sure everything is together. So the next thing that I am going to apply is my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in the color medium beige. So you're going to want to apply a little bit of this product underneath your eye. I use this in order to brighten up the area under my eye. It makes you have a bit of a glow and just a younger, youthful look. So I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending that out. Again, you can use your finger to do this. That's very helpful. When I started, that's what I used to do, is to use my finger to blend out products. So next we're going to want to seal the concealer. And so what I'm using is actually a foundation brush. Forgive me, I don't use the right brushes, but I'm going to apply some Fit Me Maybelline loose finishing powder to my foundation brush and apply that under my eye where I just used my concealer. So after you do that, you just want to take any fluffy brush that you have on hand and knock off all the excess powder. So now we're going to do a little bit of contouring, and I'm using Black Radiance's True Complexion contour palette, and we're just going to take a little bit of the contour, and this is the light to medium palette, and you're going to put a little bit of that on your brush. I'm actually using a handy kabuki brush to apply the contour right along the cheekbone, so you'll see how I twist up my face. I don't know how else to explain that, but you'll put that right on that line, and then you want to go around your hairline to help blend everything in. Once again, it's all about blending, sis. It's all about blending to achieve that natural looking appearance. So all around your hairline, on your jawline, you can bring it a little bit down on your neck as well. So next, I'm moving into applying my falsies. I did already complete a tutorial on how to apply false lashes, so I'm not going to go through that whole spiel again. I will link a card above in the right hand corner of this video so that you can check that one out. Alright, so now to some of my finishing touches. This is the highlighter that I'm using. It's by Bella Paris Cosmetics. And you're going to want to take a fan brush and just apply that lightly to your cheekbones, a little on your forehead, and of course get that nose, sis. I love the good highlighted nose. And that bridge. Wherever the sunlight hits you, and makes your face light up, that's where you want to apply that highlighter. So now I'm going to take this tapered eyeshadow brush, yes, a tapered eyeshadow brush, and apply some more of that contour powder. And I'm going to place that around the outer portion of my nose. It will give the illusion of a thinner nose width. And now I'm not sure what the name of this brush is. If I can find that out, I will put it in the comment box. But I'm going to take a little bit more of that highlighter and just place it in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to apply my LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in white to my waterline. And that's just going to be on the very out corner of my eye. I hope I'm explaining that right. And what this will do will also help achieve a brighter looking eye and again a more youthful look. Now I'm going to apply a little bit more mascara, but this time it's going to be to my bottom lashes. And lastly, you can apply your favorite lip. So in my case, I'm just using some clear lip gloss. And there you have it. We're all done. We've achieved our everyday makeup look. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It is absolutely free for you and would mean the world to me. You can find me on all social media platforms at Joy Yvonne. Blessings to you. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.